In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Workspace icon. Whether you're refreshing your brand or just making your workspace easier to spot at a glance, locating the icon controls is quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it slowly and clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, go to Settings. In most tools, you'll find the Settings area in the top right corner, often represented by a gear icon or tucked inside a menu labeled Settings, Admin, or Preferences. If your workspace has different permission levels, make sure you're using an account that can view or adjust organization level settings. Otherwise, some options may be hidden. Don't worry if your interface looks slightly different from what you expect. Many platforms allow custom themes or layouts. The important part here is simply reaching the main settings area for your workspace. Next, go to General. Inside Settings, look for a section commonly called General, Workspace, or Organization. This section usually contains broad, foundational options that affect your whole workspace, such as name, time zone, and visual identity. If you see multiple tabs, choose the one that mentions general or overview settings rather than advanced or security items. Think of this as the home base for everything that defines how your workspace appears to your team. Now find Workspace icon. Within the general settings, look for a clearly labeled option such as Workspace icon, Organization icon, logo, or branding. It's often grouped near the workspace name and description, sometimes with a small preview so you can see what your current icon looks like. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the page carefully. Branding options can be placed near the top for quick access, but in some layouts they might be lower down or inside a subsection like appearance or identity. Once you've located the workspace icon area, you've found the exact place where visual customization happens. This setting controls how your workspace is represented across the app, on sidebars, tabs, notifications, and sometimes even in shared links. So it's worth taking a moment to confirm you're in the right spot. If the option appears grayed out or unavailable, that typically means you'll need admin access or a higher plan tier to make changes. In that case, check with your workspace administrator to review permissions. That's all there is to it. Go to Settings, go to General, and find Workspace icon. With these steps, you know precisely where your workspace's visual identity is managed, and you're ready to keep your team's space easy to recognize and polished.